We've all been there, right? You need to log out of Facebook, but the button seems to have just vanished. You knew it was there yesterday, but now that you actually need it, it's playing hide and seek. Or maybe you get that little pang of anxiety in the back of your mind, the one that whispers, wait, am I still logged in on my old phone? What about that library computer or my friend's laptop from last week? It's a tiny thought that can quickly spiral into a full-blown privacy panic. Well, in this guide, we're going to put those fears to rest for good. I'll show you how to find that frustratingly elusive logout button on your phone and computer, and then I'll share the power move, how to sign out from every single device you've ever used. This is the ultimate trick to secure your account and give yourself total peace of mind. By the end of this, you'll be the master of your Facebook account, able to close any open digital doors with just a few taps. Let's start with the device you probably have in your hand right now, your smartphone. Logging out should be easy, but with app updates, the button has a habit of moving. Whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, the process is nearly the same, but the icons can be in slightly different spots. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First up, iPhone users. Open your Facebook app. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's your main menu. Tap it. On the new screen, just scroll all the way to the bottom. Keep going past everything until you can't scroll anymore. The very last option will be Log Out. Tap it, hit Log Out again on the confirmation pop-up, and you're done. You're successfully signed out. Now for my Android friends, the steps are almost identical. Open up Facebook. Your menu icon, the same profile picture and 3 horizontal lines, is usually in the top right corner. Tap that. Just like on the iPhone, you'll want to scroll all the way to the very bottom of this page. That last button you see will be Log Out. Go ahead and tap it. Facebook might ask you if you want to save your info for a faster login next time. If it's your personal phone, feel free. But if you're on a device that isn't yours, always say no. After you choose, you'll be logged out. See? Not so bad. Okay, phone's done, but what about a computer? This is super important, especially if you ever use Facebook on a public computer at a library, school, or hotel. Leaving your account logged in on a shared machine is a huge security risk. Luckily, logging out on a desktop is even more straightforward. Open your browser and head to facebook.com. Once your feed loads, look over to the top right corner of the page. You should see a small circular icon of your profile picture. That's your main account menu. Click on that picture. A drop-down menu will appear, and the very last option on the list is Log Out. Click it. The page will refresh to the login screen, and that's it. You are now securely logged out. It's a 2-click habit that can save you a world of trouble. And now, the main event. This is the ultimate security hack for your Facebook account. What if you lost your phone, sold an old tablet, or have that sinking feeling you're still logged into an ex's computer? This is how you take back control without needing physical access to any of those devices. We are going to remotely log out of every single active Facebook session. Grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon again, bottom right for iPhone, top right for Android. This time, look for the little gear icon at the top right of the menu screen. That's Settings and Privacy. Tap it. From here, things can look slightly different, but you're looking for the Security section. You might see a big Meta Account Center at the top. If so, tap See More in Account Center. Then, find and tap on Password and Security. Under the Security Checks heading, you'll find the key to this whole process, where you're logged in. Tap it. Select your Facebook account to continue. And there it is. You're now looking at every single device where your Facebook account is active. Your current device is usually labeled right at the top. Below it is every other phone, tablet, and computer session. It might be a short list, or it might be a shockingly long wall of shame showing devices from years ago. To do a full sweep, scroll to the bottom and tap Select Devices to log out. You can check the box next to each device individually, but for a total security reset, just hit the Select All option. Once everything is selected, a Log Out button will appear at the bottom. Tap it. Confirm one last time, and just like that, you've digitally slammed the door shut on every device. That's what I call peace of mind. Logging out is great, but what if you want to remove any trace of your account from a device? When you log out, Facebook often saves your profile picture on the login screen for a one-tap sign-in. This is convenient on your own phone, but not if you're selling it or passing it down. Here's how to wipe your profile from that login screen. After logging out, you'll be on the page showing your profile picture. Look for 3 small dots, usually in the corner of your profile tile. Tap those dots. A menu should pop up with an option like Remove Profiles from this device. Tap that, find your profile, and hit Remove. This confirms you want to delete the saved login info. The next time someone opens the app on that phone, it will be a completely blank login screen. Getting good at logging out is a fantastic first step, but let's talk about building a full security mindset. We log out to protect our personal information, and your Facebook account is a gateway to a ton of it. Whenever you use a public computer, also make sure to clear the browser's history and cache after you log out. This helps ensure no leftover data from your session is discoverable. But if you want to take your account security to the next level, the single most important thing you can do is enable Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. You'll find this in the same password and security section we visited earlier. Turning on 2FA means that even if someone steals your password, they can't get in without a second piece of info, usually a code sent to your phone. It's like having a digital bodyguard for your account, and one of the best defenses against being hacked. And there you have it. You now know everything you need to take full control of your Facebook account. We've covered logging out on your phone, signing out on a computer, and most importantly, the power move of remotely logging out of every device at once. You also know how to wipe your profile from a login screen and why 2FA is so critical. Did this video help you out? Let me know in the comments below. Did you find any surprise devices logged into your account? I'd love to hear about it. If this guide gave you a little more peace of mind, hitting that like button would be amazing. It really helps the channel reach more people who need this info. And for more simple step-by-step tech guides, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.